get wet. I think that may shorten our walk.
What?
Something get wet?
Did you catch that thing? Oh my.
You saying oh my?
Yes.
I don't know. Okay, so we're in Santa Monica, California. This is an overview of the whole situation. The sound of the waves crashing upon the shore. The people in the cold water. Let's take a little bit closer look at them. Hello, seagulls. And here's your photographer. See ya.